Hi, my name is Matt Rosenthal. I'm the CEO of Mindcore Technologies, and I want to thank you for visiting our Microsoft Office 365 webpage. I want to share with you who we work with. We work with people that are frustrated, worried, or concerned about their technology. So what might have brought you to this page is possibly productivity issues, possibly technical issues, or maybe you're just curious about the suite of products and how they can improve and enhance your company's performance. Imagine feeling secure, confident, and having peace of mind that all of the systems you have in place are delivering so that you can reach your goals. Office 365 has so many features. There's so many things you can do with it. In fact, there are so many that the first real step is having a consultative conversation about what your business's needs are, what the obstacles are that you're trying to overcome, what you're trying to do, and then figuring out just how Office 365 fits into that, and that's what we can help you do. We can help you with the design, the implementation, the workflows, really figuring out how this solution solves your business problems. In fact, not just solves them, how it helps your entire company be more productive and serve your own clients better. So I want to encourage you to give us a call, to send us an email, to fill out the form below, just submit a request. Let's set up an appointment and let's have a consultation. I want to thank you again for visiting the page and hope you have a great day. Thanks.